Instagram Threads just launched and Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk are going at it. Now in today's video, I want to cover exactly how to set up your Threads account, exactly what this is going to mean for the future, and potentially how you can use Instagram Threads to make more money on Instagram and make more sales. Hello, my name is Josue Pena and I help people just like you make, grow, and monetize their Instagram following, even if you have a small business and have a tiny following today. So let's just jump into it. Now, it has been less than 24 hours since the Instagram Thread app has launched, and it's going absolutely bananas right now. So here's a step-by-step guide on exactly how to set up your account and how to do everything. Now, as you can see right here, I already have set up my Instagram account on Threads, but I want to show you another one of my Instagram accounts that we have today that we have actually grown to over 40,000 followers in just a couple of months. If you want to find out how we've grown the second Instagram account in today's 2023 algorithm, there's gonna be a video down below in the description that shows you exactly how we've grown 5,000 followers in just 7 days. But in case you haven't signed up for Threads yet, all you have to do is click the top 3 lines in the top right hand corner on top of your profile, and then this pop-up menu is going to show up with Threads right there, and then this is going to show up. You click it, it says get Threads. From there, it's going to take you to the App Store where you download this Thread app. And right then and there, you just hit download or open and it just takes you right then and there. Now, once you're setting up your account on Threads, it's going to link automatically to your Instagram account. And you're going to be able to set up absolutely everything completely automatically. The one thing you need to take note is that your name on your Instagram account is going to be the same name that you will have on Threads. And then your bio, you can just import it from Instagram or create a new one. And also with the link, same thing. You can import it from Instagram or create a new one. In this case, I'm just gonna leave the same one. And then from there, you just hit done and that's it. Now, after the screen, you're able to follow a bunch of different people and also every single person that you follow on Instagram as well, which I think is pretty cool because it allows you to just follow absolutely everybody that you love and it automatically populates your feed. Quick side note, Twitter is actually censorship free. Instagram Threads is not. You can see right here, this post was actually deleted by Instagram Threads. So censorship is probably going to still be an issue. Now, right here on your feed, you see that it's very, very clean. It looks exactly like the Twitter one. On carousel posts, as you can see right here, it's just a little scroll thingy. And it's actually super, super intuitive and clean. I love the UI of how easy they made it seem. Now, if we go to our profile, you can actually see that I've grown over 3,000 followers in just a couple of hours since I started using Threads, which is absolutely crazy, which means that you can grow very, very quickly on Threads as long as you're able to use Instagram and leverage it. Now, of course, we hit share profile. You're able to share your profile amongst a bunch of different platforms, Instagram, WhatsApp, and text. But also on any given post, you're able to also send it over to anything. You're able to share it to your Instagram stories right here. You're also able to send it to a feed post on Instagram as well. And of course, ironically, you're also able to tweet it, which I don't know how that's going to perform. And finally, you can copy the link or share it via WhatsApp, text, etc. Now, of course, the button right next to it is a repost that allows you to repost the same thread and post it on your profile. This makes sharing super, super easy and simple, which is one of the biggest things that Twitter has going for them. Right here, you can also see a little quote that allows you to share a specific thread and you share your thoughts in here. Like, let's just say Mr. Bean is Mark Zuck. Boom. And then you're able to post that same thread with a specific thought or comment from your own. And of course, you're able to comment like normally or even like it. Honestly, I'm absolutely loving Threads, and it's a very simple and intuitive platform. I mean, just look at my screen time today. I have been super crazy busy, but even like that, I still made an hour and a half today just alone, playing around with the app, engaging with different people, commenting, and making a couple threads. Now, I want to touch base on a little thing. Instagram Threads is absolutely catching fire right now. And I want you to guess something real quick. How much time do you think it took Uber, Telegram, Spotify, and other companies reach 100 million users inside of their app? It took Uber 70 months. It took Telegram 61 months. It took Instagram 30 months. ChatGPT, it took them 2 months, which was the fastest product ever to grow. Here's something crazy. Instagram Threads today in less than 24 hours has over 22 million subscribers, which is absolutely mind-boggling because it is growing faster than any other social media platform or product ever in history. Now, this is what it means for you. I believe that you need to be focusing on Threads currently right now because every time a new social media platform comes out, all the attention, all the traffic, and all the algorithm allows you to get pushed forward a lot even faster. So I strongly encourage you right now that if you want to grow your following on Instagram and make money from it or learn how to make money from it, this is the perfect opportunity currently right now to jump on it, start using it, start playing around, and start engaging with the community, because if you do, you're going to be able to grow extremely quickly. I mean, as you saw, I already have 3,000 followers on Threads without pretty much doing anything. Yes, I have a following on Instagram in the first place, but this is the whole point. Threads is going to be pushed forward extremely quickly, and you need to make sure that you catch on. Now, of course, you might be wondering, how do I leverage it in a way that it doesn't take a lot of time, and most importantly, that allows me to make more money, aka make more sales? So I want to show you something real quick, because believe it or not, you can actually use ChatGPT and Threads to easily create content that allows you to go viral, reach more people, and actually create engaging content. And for the sake of this example, I'm just going to use my Twitter account. Right here, my Twitter account has actually less than 3,000 followers, which funny enough, it took me longer to build 3,000 followers on Twitter than it took me to build 3,000 followers on Threads, because the integration is just so seamless. But right here on my Twitter account, I was using ChatGPT and posting content that was going semi-viral, as you can see right here, 400,000 views, and reaching quite a bit of people. And the coolest part about this all is that I used my Twitter account, and in the very first month, we did over $10,000 in sales, which I thought was pretty cool. So I believe on Threads is going to be a lot easier to grow. It's going to be a lot easier to monetize as well, just like we have been able to do multiple times. I'm just showing you a video right here that we did that day, $23,000 in just one single day, okay? Again, just showing you proof that this is not fake. And this was 100% done just from Instagram alone. So for the next couple of days, I'm going to be creating another video explaining how you can leverage ChatGPT and artificial intelligence to create content on Threads, potentially grow it, and also on top of that, monetize it as well. So if you do not want to miss that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell to make sure that you know when that video is released. And that has been all for this video. But before we end, let me ask you one question. Who do you think is going to win this battle? Elon Musk with Twitter or Zuck with Threads? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you think. And make sure you follow me on Threads and on Instagram. The Instagram account is simply @Pena, and on Threads as well. And don't forget to click this video right here if you want to find out exactly how we grew a page to over 5,000 followers in just 7 days in the new Instagram algorithm today. And then click right here if you want to find out how you can monetize your Instagram and make over $300 a day just from it.